Today we're exploring two freehold commercial opportunities that offer space, flexibility and the opportunity for the next owner to turn them into something truly productive.
First, on Marston Road in Stafford, a prominent mixed-use site positioned along a key route linking directly to the town's ring road and the M6 motorway. At the front, a two-storey building presents three large display windows leading into a bright showroom, backed by well-specified workshops with a gas blower heater and first-floor office and ancillary space. Set just beyond is the principal warehouse, a high bay facility of brick and steel construction.
Covering approximately 800 square metres, including its mezzanine.
It offers excellent internal height, clean spans and multiple access points, including two roller shutter loading doors to Fancy Walk.
A designated mezzanine loading bay adds functional convenience,
while rear vehicular access supports efficient movement throughout the site. In total, the property extends to over 1,361 square metres. The guide price is £450,000. This next property sits within a secure gated yard and includes two industrial buildings, totalling approximately 420 square metres. Building 1 is a self-contained warehouse with steel portal frame construction, brick and blockwork to the lower level, and metal cladding above. Translucent roof panels bring natural light into the open plan interior, which sits beneath eaves of nearly 4 metres, rising to 4.7. It includes two roller shutters, a personnel door, and a connected water supply. Building 2 is a detached workshop clad in corrugated metal sheeting beneath a pitched roof, offering over 5 metres to the eaves. A powered roller shutter opens into the generous ground floor space, complemented by a substantial steel-framed mezzanine. This unit is supported by 3-phase electricity and fixed lighting throughout. The guide price stands at £185,000.
These freehold properties represent a solid commercial opportunity in a well-connected area, ready for their next owners to shape and refine. To explore the full marketing particulars, arrange a viewing, or to place your bid online, visit John Pye Auctions today.